Hi there, this is Monkey from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a website audit of the site Timpanys.com. I'm on a homepage and I see a lot of information. I see the coronavirus update takes unnecessary lot of space, pushing this image uh, out of view because above the fold is the most important part on any website. I can barely see there's anything in this image. So make sure to optimize these elements mm, so the image is clearer to see, is better to see above the fold. And I can see that you've got a tagline what towards the garden. Sunshine Staples. Okay, so this is linked to your collection page as well, which is great. Okay. I mean, you mentioned that you are specializing in kind of loungewear, leisure wear, but then new items kind of are quite elegant, don't really match to the theme or to the tagline you had here. So make sure to be consistent, pick only one niche and stick to it, because otherwise you just confuse your buyers as to which niche you specialize in. Okay, but very nice images, quality images, work from home in style, linked to your relevant collection as well. Okay, which is great. So nice loungewear. Okay, I would optimize the product titles a little bit better. So for example, Gani could be Gani jumpsuit, Gani leisure wear jumpsuit, or Gani, I don't know, one, however you can call it as well. Um, Alexander Wang is just the name of the designer, but make sure to specify whether it's trousers, whether it's leggings, whether it's sweatpants or something like that. It will be much better for your SEO and much better for your conversion rate as well. I really like your contact us page. It is really authentic. I love the logo. I can see that you've got really good presence. You're located in Chelsea, so you've got a very upmarket feel. I still don't feel it on the website. I don't feel it from the product layout, from the product images. So I can see that you have worked quite hard to have really good presence on High Street. I'm not sure if you can call Chelsea High Street. However, I would definitely work on having this consistently and concisely really shown on the website, because from what I see on the homepage, apart from seeing premium prices, I really wouldn't be able to tell that it belongs to a premium boutique. So you definitely need to work on your product images, mm, the display, definitely on a redesign, conversion rate, because it is letting you down at the moment. And I mean, you've got really good prices. It feels like there is missing this kind of whole website redesign, branding, quality of the images that can really portray the presence of your boutique on the website. So I do recommend working on this at this stage. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how a full website redesign and SEO by a Shopify expert can help you portray your upmarket and premium branding, please book a free chat. The details are in the email, and I would be happy to show you how the website redesign can help you convert more visitors into buyers and can help you portray your luxurious and premium branding. So I do look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.